To connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset to your Xbox One, the setup is very straightforward as long as you follow the pairing steps in the right order. Start by turning on both your headset and your Xbox One console. Hold the power button on the headset until the LED turns on, then power up the Xbox using the main button on the front of the console. Next, locate the pairing button on your Xbox One. Depending on the model, it may be near the disc slot or on the left side of the system. Press this button once, and when the Xbox light begins blinking, it means the console is now ready to pair with wireless accessories. While the Xbox is blinking, press and hold the connect button on the Stealth 600 headset. Once the headset light begins flashing rapidly, it's actively searching for the console. After a few seconds, both lights should turn solid to confirm that the connection was successful and the headset is paired. You should now hear game audio through the headset. If nothing comes through, make sure the headset is charged and sitting close to the console. Wireless interference can also cause issues, so try to keep the headset away from routers, Bluetooth speakers, and metal shelves that might disrupt the signal. If pairing fails, restart both the headset and the Xbox, and then repeat the process from the beginning. Another useful step is checking for firmware updates using the Turtle Beach Audio Hub on a computer. Outdated firmware can cause syncing problems, audio delays, or random disconnects. After updating, try pairing again and the process usually works more smoothly. You can also go into your Xbox audio settings to adjust chat balance, headset volume, and mic monitoring levels to get everything sounding exactly the way you like. Once everything is connected and configured, your Stealth 600 should work perfectly for gaming sessions, party chat, watching movies, and any other audio on the Xbox One. The headset will automatically reconnect in the future, making it even easier to use every time you power up your console.